Hey sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manwa, on a Leech. Chapter 35. Did you know, this is originally a lavender field? Really? That's hard to believe. Jaibal is a southern region, so it's an environment where flowers thrive. I remember that because I came here for a vacation when I was little. It was very beautiful. I see. Now it's like hell with barbed wire fences, booby traps, and piles of corpses. Even if we get it back, I don't know if it will ever be restored. The third raid group is coming back. At the time, the relentless trench infiltration began to push back the Great Fork Elite Unit as well. It was because the Russo Hills, which is beyond those trenches, was just a short trip away. The impatient headquarters continued to send us to dangerous places. Medic, Sergeant, calm down. Rush, start by doing a head count. The trench raid at night was such a dangerous mission that we would leave behind all personal belongings that would identify our unit in case we are ever caught by the enemy. Edge and I were always called for these sorts of crazy missions. House Soldier Red. And that's why we always confirmed each other's survival. When is the bandage supply coming? What's the result of this time's infiltration? We'll take over this area soon. Edge. I didn't know that this raid would be organized into different groups. I know, right? I guess it's because there are so many striking points. I was worried about whether we'll be safe, but the fact that we can eat together like this is cough. Don't talk with your mouth full. How was your side? We all returned alive after planting a bunch of grenades in the F-12 area. My side was strictly guarded, so Iota was just observing. From what I can see, it seems that the protection around the H area is thinning. Oh, then I guess the next raid will be there. Slide. Oh, how dare someone who isn't even an executive officer make up a plan? See, Moon, I know enough about it. I'm going to be a staff sergeant like you soon, after all. Really, we don't need a non-commissioned officer who spills food everywhere though. Won't it be great for you too, since I'll be able to stay with you and help you more if I become an executive? Wipe, she's definitely been quiet since that day. You'll only get more work once you become a non-commissioned officer, Red. It's because I want to lessen the load on you, Edge. But these marks have been increasing. Amazing. What the hell happened? Bear, the smell coming out of that guy. I didn't smell wrong, did I? Don't tell me. No, judging by her personality. No way. Are those vulgar rumors really true? Is she dating that woman? I can't tell at all. Anyway, we're not sure if a member of our unit has been unfairly treated or not, so we need to know the exact situation. Brown, I leave it to you. Understood. Nothing happened. Yes, ma'am. You were left alone in the tent. Where did Captain Duval go? She just treated me. She said she's busy with work, so she left first. Then, the mark on your neck. Oh, this is the injury I got from one of the wolves while fighting them. Frown, you had nothing like that when I brought you there. Her restless attitude. Sergeant, I feel a bit tired. Maybe because I bled a lot. And the tips of her ear that are burning red. Brush, can I go rest now? Sure, go take a rest. They are all proofs that something definitely happened with that woman. There was no way I could be forced to do it. So that means those absurd rumors are true. Just when did it start? With such a monster, and it's still continuing until now. Without me knowing. Edge, grit. What's wrong? Your expression suddenly turned serious. Is the situation really that grave? Crumpled. Or are you feeling unwell somewhere? This is unsightly. It's nothing. Let's sleep now. I is already an adult. I thought only her body got bigger. Is there any reason for me to interfere? But the marks left on I's body are not normal. No matter how I look at it, they're bruises. I'm sure something is wrong. Slide. Are you unable to sleep? Flinch. You keep on tossing and turning since earlier. You should get some sleep now. You always tell me to be careful because lack of sleep can lead to injuries. To think you would nag me about that. My eye is all grown up. It seems like you haven't been able to sleep at night these days. Should I help you? What? Slide. Turn over. What are you? What else? I'm patting you to sleep. But, patting me. When we were little, you used to gently put me to sleep whenever we sleep together. Ha ha ha. Right. I always did that to you whenever you had nightmares. I should do it to you in return. What a tearfully touching scene. For you to do something in return of something that happened in the past. We're not that far apart in age, stop acting like the much older one here. Okay, close your eyes and breathe out. If we work hard today, our company can go to the rear and rest from tomorrow on. But, Oko, that's right. She was once a child who couldn't sleep because of nightmares. And now she's grown enough to have that kind of gaze. But as she, thinking of that woman, Captain Duval, you can take care of these annoying stuff yourselves. However, it needs your approval. I told you, unless it's such a big deal that we're all going to die, don't call me and just leave it to Regis. Seems like there's a problem with your brain. Want me to open it up here? No, I apologize, Captain. Oof, she's just becoming more hysterical. Captain Maximilien is a part of the intelligence division. How can he approve things? Step. She may be moody, but she's not usually that harsh. I wonder why she's like that nowadays. Step. It's obviously because of that shitty mammalian. What? Scrunch. A week ago, the captain and I were organizing some files until late at night when it happened. That cheeky red dog who the captain had treated herself suddenly stormed in. Didn't the captain say she wasn't going to treat that mammalian personally anymore? I was trying to send her away since she called out the captain's name as she pleased and created a fuss to demand her to come out right away. But she didn't even budge as if she was an elite. I was about to call the military police when the captain came out. The captain hit her with one punch and that guy fell to the floor. Oh my gosh, Captain Duval did. Yeah, I couldn't believe it either. I even wondered if her ribs were broken. After that, she dragged the dog to her private tent. She's been in a bad mood ever since. What exactly is their relationship? Shout. Relationship, my ass. Don't spout nonsense. It's clear that she's annoyed because the person she's playing around with is acting cheeky. Even though the captain has so many things to think about. I'm sure she must have been stressed since the death toll has increased. Moreover, it must be difficult to prepare for the upcoming operation to retake the Russo Hills. The captain might be moody and fussy, but she's a true surgeon who never gives up on her duties. I'm sure she'll soon completely forget that bundle of fur. I don't know if you're reckless or stupid. No, let's say you're both. Even a real dog would be smarter than you. Growl. Even though you've been tormented by me for the past few days, you still think of coming back. Or do you think my punishment level is not harsh enough? I'm doing this because I don't understand. If you don't want me to come, then explain why you were like that day and why you're like this now. Damn, you're crushed. My shin. Lift. Who do you think you are that I have to convince you? If I tell you not to come, don't come. You should pay the price for looking down on my words again today. Hold. You don't look well. Don't push yourself. I don't look well. I know that there are a lot of wounded soldiers because of the order to retake the Russo Hills this time. So today let's just rest for today. Ridiculous. If anyone hears this, they'll think that I'm the one being punished. What, are you gonna check on my condition with your little doggy nose? If you're worried about my well-being, you can just not come here, doggy. Let's see. I don't look tired like this, don't I? Press. Be prepared. Today I'm going to torment you more severely than last time. If you'd been injured, you would have seen worse. You're dare to crawl into my snake day without permission. Did you think you can come out here in full peace? Press. Will you listen if I put a leash around your neck? Doggy. Rattle. It always went that way. From that night on, every time I visited her, I always had to get punishments. She was like a child playing roughly with her toys. After enduring her torment, we always ended up mindlessly having sex. After we were done moving as if we were trying to eat each other up, we would fall asleep in exhaustion. I was always left alone to wallow in my misery. Let's see who wins. I was already well aware of her whims, but somehow I couldn't quite understand the events of that night. Damn it, my whole body is aching. Creak, but no matter how much I asked, I couldn't get a proper answer. I just can't help but lose my temper at her overbearing and ambiguous attitude. I thought there would be no teeth marks if I had my fur touch, so I ignored her warning and stubbornly approached her. But even though I visited whenever I had time, I couldn't get what I wanted and only got more punishments instead. And whenever I came when I was injured, I could only endure her increased anger. Today, again, I had no idea how long I would have to repeat this. Hey, Red, let's go to the captain. What's this all of a sudden? I left it alone because I believed you would take care of it, but you didn't. I can't stand it anymore. You don't look good lately, you know. The bruises and scars on your body are getting worse as time goes by. I feel like I'm in pain when I see you flinch. You are making a fuss. I got these when I was on my last mission in the trench. Stop joking around. That reptile officer was the one who did it all to you, right? A few of them were really because of the mission though. Even if the opponent is an officer from an ally nation, anyone would take your side if they see your condition. I'm sleeping with that woman. What? All of these are the result of me sleeping with her. What did you say? You slept with her. Yeah, perhaps what you mean isn't just taking a sleep but that thing. Yeah, no, how come? Hold on, were you forced by her? You think I would let that happen? No, then you and THTHAT officer is really in that kind of relationship. The rumors are true. Relationship or whatever, it's nothing like that, Red, and you don't need to worry anymore. I'm thinking that I should stop. Huh, no, what do you mean stop? I'm shocked right now. I can't believe it. It seems like you've been this way with that officer for a while now. Tell me in more detail. Nee thought that as long as I put up with it for a while, she would tell me at some point. But ever since I found out that I'm not the only one putting up with it. When I see her stubbornly shut her mouth while panting, who would think that she's the same person who's been tormenting me terribly? Maybe after the next 1 or 2 more times. No, it's just going to repeat again. Sigh, but conversation would probably be possible if I have no injury. Block her. Block that son of a batch at once. Thud. Get out of this land right now if you don't want to die, you damn birds. Sergeant, ugh, rush, hurry, kill that guy. Ah, punch. I'll send you all to hell. Go be a parasite to your god there. Red. Sergeant Red is shot. Again. Take her to the rear at once. I never thought that getting injured more often would mean that I can meet her more often. Even if I had decided not to go, it would have been of no use. Don't leave the bandage wet. Nevertheless, the reason I said that was because I was slowly losing the ability to stand on my own. That mammalian again. What is it this time? Pant gunshot wounds on her shoulder and abdomen. I can endure pain. I'm used to it anyway. Goddamn, she really can't die. What I can't endure is. Make sure Captain Duval hears nothing about this. Gasped Chief Medical Officer. Whenever I come with an injury, she would look at me with a face as if she was at the end of the rope. Thank you so much for supporting me and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.